Okay, this is going to be kind of difficult, but bear with me. I wasn't really sure how you want us to take the video. Okay, so for number one, I'm going to do the negative 315 in radians. And then, so you're going to set it up like 315 negative. I just put it over 1 because it's easier for me to remember. And then pi over 180. So it's multiplying those. Then you're going to cross cancel. So there's nothing cross cancel for the 1 pi. But then you're going to be able to use 15. So it'll be, wait, what am I doing? So negative 15, it's going to be 21 over 1, and then pi over 12, and then you just multiply those, so it'll be negative 21 over pi over 12, and that's going to be it. And then for the second one, you're going to do, I'm going to do 5 pi over 6 in degrees. And then it's going to be, oh yeah. So you're going to do 5 pi over 6 times 180 over pi. And then cross canceling, that becomes 1, that becomes 30. And then you just cross out the pi's, and then multiply across, and you're going to get 150 over 1, which is just 150. 3, these are the more annoying ones for me, but so for this one, it's going to be, I'm going to do a measure of, I'll draw it. Holy hell, this is terrible. I'm going to do the negative 5 by negative 5, and I'm finding this measure. So this is just 90 degrees, and it's going to be negative 90 because it's going this way, not this way, clockwise. And then this is a, that's a 45, 45, 90, which just means this is just 45 degrees, negative 45. So it's going to be negative 135. And then number 4, I'm going to do, for my equation, y equals negative 2 sine 20. So to find the amplitude, you just do the absolute value of a, and that's going to be just 2, because that's a. And the absolute value of negative 2 is 2. And then for the period is just going to be, where's my freak? I don't know where my calculator is. Okay, I found it. Sine. Okay, wait, I did that wrong. Oh wait, no, the period's just going to be, I think, 3 pi over 3 with, yeah, so 3 pi over 3, and it's pi, okay, sorry, that was confusing, but, then for the graph, oh, you can't even see, okay, so the highest is going to go is 2, because that's our amplitude, and negative 2 down here, freak, and then I'm just going to mark it at, this might need to be longer, I'm going to do pi over 2, pi, 2 pi over 2, 2 pi, yeah, I need more room, This is going to be a really ugly graph, Mr. Enriquez. And then 3 pi over 2, and then finish with 3 pi. I guess I should have explained that first. So that's our period. And then you just draw it. So it's going this way first because it's sine. So you're going to go down. Bear with me, I'm doing this with one hand. And go down, and it's just going to keep going like that. It's going to keep going like that.